remember with the pork, there's always a packaging below. Oh, it's a bit.
Oh, it's getting aged.
So all we're gonna do is add some garlic granules. Decent amount. Oh, well seasoned. Same amount of onion.
Why does it look so similar to the garlic granules?
They use powder. This is basically powder, right?
Yeah.
Some crushed chilies. It's gonna be interesting. Our ingredient chili flakes. We don't know what's inside of this. Maybe it's just chilies, I guess. We're only gonna use a few. It's not gonna be much. Add a shit ton of salt. A shit ton of pepper. I almost cut my nail because I was opening this badly. What workout?
I feel like I've experienced this scene before for some reason.
You have?
This moment.
With all our cooking.
Deja vu.
We've been in this place before. We need the new pepper. Also, you know, it'd be nice having like an electronic pepper grinder thing.
Oh, I've never heard of that.
Oh, you just click the button and it just goes zzz, grinds for you.
I see. Well, to me, grinding pepper by my hands is also kind of fun.
Problem is, it's always what pepper comes out of this. Actually, if I do it slowly, more comes out. Should be good amount though. We need an egg. Oh, we have one egg left.
Oh my god.
That's nice. Yeah, look at this. It's gonna be a thick patty. Thick is always good. If we had a shaping thing, would be nice. Could use that.
Yeah.
Yeah. Just casually says yeah. Let's put it into that. Alright.
Oh, this is really thick.
That's good. It's got flavor.
Yep.
And we're gonna season it afterwards as well. What we could do is we could when it's so we're gonna pan fry it on both sides for about, I don't know, 40 seconds, maybe, just so it just has some sear. And after pan frying it, we're gonna put it into the oven.
Oh.
And the idea is when it's in the oven, we could melt some butter in the microwave, and after melting some butter in the microwave, we can then baste it.
Yes.
As more flavor. And after that, what we can do is we're gonna add some cheddar cheese that we're gonna slice up from our block. So we're gonna probably slice widthways. It's gonna be weird slicing like that, but then do nice big slices. And I'm just gonna like layer the slice on top. That's a bit of a small ball.
Yep, that one looks a bit smaller. Yep.
And just see how it's bouncing around.
Yep.
And the pan is ready. Also, what we do, we get tissue. Make sure the pan's dry. So now the pan's dry.
I just realized that it's recording your naked upper half.
Who cares? You got the editing right.
Yep. Because it's from the pan.
Yep. It's fine. Look at that. Oil is already steaming.
Yep.
Let's put it around.
You want the spatula?
Especially ass.
My ass just got bite.
Bite. Wow.
One.
Press it down just a small bit.
Yep. To make sure it has full contact with the pan. Yeah, it can accommodate 4.
What we're gonna do is we're gonna put them onto here, and I'm gonna finish off with the bacon one. So roughly about 40 seconds on the pan, just to get a nice sear. Sear is always flavor without the grill, so make do with what we have. Move like this so it doesn't stick. Yeah. Also, see how solid they are? That's what the binding or the whites of the egg yolk was. If you want to make a gravy sauce, all the stuff that's left in the pan will be amazing for it. Yeah, perfect.
Wow.
Alright, look at that.
That's actually pretty good.
That's a good sear. I'm proud of that sear. So we've also preheated the oven to 200 Celsius. We're gonna finish off the meat and oh yeah. We're gonna that's excellent. Right. We're gonna finish off the meat in the oven for about 10 minutes at 200 Celsius. About an inch, about 2.5 in height. Maybe it needs a bit more time than 10 minutes. But we're gonna finish them off in the oven. But also what we're gonna do, we have some butter here. We have some we're going to use this brush, and we're going to, in the oven, about halfway when it's done, we're going to butter the meat. And when it's about a minute or two left, we're going to so now we have a good sear. I'm going to sear this a bit more. Like this. So. Right, we have it on a fan instead of boiler because since we've already seared the meat, I don't think we need to boil it. And we're just going to wait until it's like 5 past. I think at 15 we're going to put some butter on. Simply just going to cut some onion rings.
Careful.
They're going to be thick onion rings. Heat back on, just for like 7. A little bit of oil. So, I don't see the pepper coming out. Oh, because that's awesome. We do not talk about that. Right. And then, simply, pan is hot. Just fry them. Oh. Also cut up some onions in the centimeter slices, and we're just grilling them. That's how the butter looks like now. Oh, we're putting my naked bag. I'm gonna use AI to hide that.
Yup.
Still a bit red inside. It's good as well. Alright. Good amount.
Because we make sure to spread it evenly across all the burgers.
The oven for roughly another 5 to 10. I'm gonna add some. I'm gonna add all the garlic. Might as well use the rest.
Yeah.
So I have that left, anyways. So what I'm doing is I'm making the garlic mayo. We have some not fresh parsley. We could add. It's like a dry parsley.
Dry parsley.
A bit, just a bit of parsley. Do some dill. Dill is always nice.
Dill is always nice. I love dill.
Right, and then some pepper. You don't have any lemon, right?
No.
Are you sure? We had quite a few lemons. I remember I bought lemon as well. Are you sure we have no lemon?
No.
I'm gonna check. Just a small bit of mustard. Don't want to over-intense the flavour. We just mix. Making our own garlic aioli burger sauce kind of mix. We have no idea what the hell we're making, but we're gonna find out. Maybe need some more mayo. Maybe the garlic's too strong. We'll see. Maybe the mustard's too strong. Doesn't look bad though. I wish we had a bigger knife. Simply season it a bit with what's on the board. Some salt and pepper. It remains. Simply put the buns on. Simply do that. Alright, that's gonna be a nice piece. Right, the burgers should hopefully be ready. Since we had a pork, we want them to fully cook through. I think 20 minutes is enough in the oven at 200. Especially if we seared them. Good char in the buns. This bun's a bit too charred. No, just leave it there. Sorry. Thank you. Wow, get them melted amazingly. All the juices of the meat as well. Missing each other. Maybe overcooked slightly by a few minutes. That's right. Then, fuck, we didn't put sauce on. That's why we can add sauce to this. Always be generous with burger sauce. Burger sauce I prefer to have on the bottom as well, but this works. Right. And now, I don't even know how to make this nice.
Just rip it apart.
Some punch to the hole.
Wow. You know what could be nice? Some gherkins.
Yeah, so smart.
Yup.
So I put the knife away already, but I can cut some gherkins up. Yeah, these are so small, so small, so small, so small. Small baby. Oh my god, thank god we have a dishwasher. Washing all of this would be ass.
Yup.
Wait, the sauce has for working his ass. How many gherkins do you think we had?
I think 2.
Should just really just not push. Okay, 2. Also the onions. Now this is a tower burger. Whenever you get tower burgers from a restaurant, this is what you should be getting. If you're not getting this, then you're not getting a good best burger. That onion as well, everything. Oh. Alright, here you go. Here's your burger.